eto so ekuta ne nyankwala to
Samaria ba no
eto ye dudu se train
ayo brother
eto we eto eti brother Sammy say wojira wo nyina ne panti mo afọ.
Until last week Saturday, and you call Daddy Lumba, the legend, you call the 1 week celebration ever Accra Independence Square. Now I heard my brother Sammy Eba see no buy and over perform here now. Brother Sammy Eba ya dey bo in fact. Anybody we tell me say I didn't know where the on that issue no. Anna Prophet Kumchacha, any cancel church, abeke kauma dwempa in fact, oma beke kauma dwempa. Actually brother Sammy say I dey okọ the eye nimu guase, well good Christopher nimu ase. And even Daddy Lumba cry no. Was a grown mass. E dey ba dey any see hono. E be do won come no akere wadwe ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Me so say need dey mo. Obe like if you don't know that am about subscribe button, some back click verification and no latest updates. Some back kire wadwe dey ama me. E wo comment section. Me so oba so a. No wa share for so enya bi ash. It last week Saturday. Penyah call 1 week celebration of Daddy Lumba DL. The legend himself. Daddy Lumba, you call the 1 week observation. E wo Accra Independence Square. Many dignitaries by no obed the hono sa kwode ewa say ekukudam titire ene anintin efre miamia beberebe na eba ne 1 week celebration as ema program eye kama o ma no be perform on stage na brother Sammy eka me say brother Sammy so aba hono na obaba krisimu nyina no eka ho bi na brother Sammy eba no enyo no kwa na ba ye o say wo nwum bi oba no Samaria ba no oba no oba sa nwum no. Oh yes, Mary ban could be a shade hunida. But last week Saturday, brother Sammy, the Samaria bad ever stage. Don't buy a bushia and near me calls to a stage, Nyash Kuma. brother Sammy replace Maria Nibano live and colored. Live and colored. Just all the Samaria Nibano live. And will be able to say, says Maria Nibano back at 12. Hey! So I didn't even so no Belkuma, everyone no Belkuma, one no back at 12. Now I do it now, brother Sammy a beer, you know. And no, coming from same the upper media because it will be 1 week. Legend more that the Lumba Penyah one yakura egu. Ya from be perform on ne yasia. The brother Sammy dia baho. What I say? The dressing sense qualifies a normal na. O ko fa di we cheaper oba ni be ye na eye. Wa sheda shishe dwa. Wa shishe dali we bibia just wo be eye po. Brother Sammy. Na di we no. Ana Prophet Kumchacha. Council Detroit. And many other journalists, any social media activists, Omo. In fact, Omo come out pa actually brother Sam say do yen dey eye nim gu ase wa gu Ghana kizofo nyina nim wase.
Can't brother Sammy. The carefulness and beso yen say. Bia or show business. Let's take that angle. Or show business. So the business aspect, you know, or just say any material or anything can publicize the show. But he has to know, say, show now or no yet. And yes, show now or bet me use just anything to publicize it. There are rules governing the publicity of show now or no yet. So, brother Sammy, you now share the category of a gospel artist. And once we allow him to be in a gospel artist contextual place that you award you only in version, Miss Ren say, on the marketing tools because Jezebel is not a human being, but it's a spirit. And in the Bible, they say, you've allowed him. No, your Sanka say, you've allowed it, the same Jezebel. So one shot, obeying to BB, na ako, I'm an fan, be a own gene. Apparently, you're tea and funny, own gene. On your properly inclined spiritually. And you say, a 2 year, affecting what I say, also me and friend now, sorry, you. But Sammy so, Kakra one and new, or 2 at least, you can feel some presence. But let me tell you, there are times that the princess goes and it's left with just the craft and the gift, and you wouldn't know. Just like Samson, when he lost his power, he thought it was still there. When he screamed, "Oh Lord, give me my last power," in the growth of the hair, Samson killed 5,000 men and women by pulling the building down. But he died with them. And brother Sammy, unpublicized it, but if you know the material he will use to push the crafts as a gospel artist.
Etuoso ekuta ne nyankwala to
Samaria bano.
Oh, etuoya ye dudu se train.
Ayo brother
etuo we etuo eti brother Sammy say wojira wo nyina ne panti mo afọ. I tell you
soften patch. Yes sir. And we dey too.
After baby amete no. Baby amete ben onabu Kennedy ga. Etire say enem panifo ne te. We ya no wasoma ne ba kwaje no ba bre me. We ya no wasoma kwaje no ba bre me. We ya no wasoma pe no me hu so ba yi o. Because obi a wa ba yi no ada so be hye kokko. Ana so be hye tuntum. Na ena o hye se de wo sana. Won se wa pai na chi nsuo.
Atare me ya paye chi.
Ba ya paye tade na chi a. Hwe se de me nua ken. Brother Sammy di tuo ye chi ko ba be ye 10 times. Okono wa ba, okono wa aso no
ga nim ba kra.
Aso brother Sammy na gari eto. Aso wo no gari eto. Ana wo hwe tuo we nsu a. Empress, wo hwe tuo we ya. Enye eto we enye sisi niye. Hwe brother Sammy sisi wo di gina ho. Na da we eto we enye sisi niye. A brother Sammy de ko no de aba wo de ko no de ba. Na police fu ogina wo nyina. O twinsuo sama. Miss one my God
to what than one friend says Sammy me ba jaitsena se.
Na brother Sammy dey so be wu e ya to na be ku no. That be brother Sammy be wu a. eyeto ene be ku brother Sammy eti wo hwese de me nua ba brother Sammy county wo won wese so won bonsan wa kora bonsan wa ene ya de me si bebre hwe to no ene nye girl we nko ba ku bi nso no hye tuntum wo hye ene ono so ne de na yi ena pepe
we so fu eyi ni na okọ share nkofo ade because it look like all describe be ade no
dabi o nteme ti won mani efra meti won se mani moy na mani fry yo be ye no won set ye ena na bi ne ka se de wawu no sabe we ni patitri we ni pakase ye hwe ya papa ni nyamfo na na do oba ho ya papa ba ni ampanifo enti we no enye wo bi te se obi o ye youth akwada bi na awu na young girl na young boy eni wawu eni ye de sentade we ebebe ba ho ne ade ebi ba wa won nufu nyina egugu wonom
wow
eni ama won be ye pa no enkoyie kura enti ne sister we ye de ankoyie
adoma
o say
me maboni di no
your friend say
adoma
ono won tunumo
otunyum me no kasa ni brother Sammy a record
eyi no ena nhwehwe ani brother Sammy sisi ketwa
debi o wa me hu so mu ti studio o fe me video call a o mu
eni na say ya na brother Sammy di na kotwa nyo brother Sammy wonim ni ba bia wonim ge ni ba bia wonim ni ba bia eyi na se no odi ko hia no
odi ni na think
me se wo bo wa me se wo bo wa
odi ni na fi kuma se
ba wa fa na firi kuma se bia ma wonim ni ba bia me opa me asem osof Kumchacha me
ke ni so ne na mi hwe udo
mini aba
e na eche so onim no to mi hia no o no ne na mi
me se na
de no ne ni koi
me se sa aye hwehwe
we na make can we say we be 10 times
ade yo aye hwehwe
we na make can wasem
aye hwehwe ni onim ni ba bia o
no
o mini aba me se wo bowa dia me sof Kumchacha me kan say
me ya ka producer se be brother Sammy amami
all friend na ade
yeah because say me bisa no me bisa no so
me se wonim no ayie na se no hia no me hwehwe mu a me ye me ye kusi ase
e o chia no brother Sammy na chia e so get me
that what the nature fans
sir
that yo oba we so the nature fans ya na usisi so that be o cha brother me sisi ya what nam wo ya what there ss yi we je fans ya enye ne dia sisi we ni
sisi we ya wo dia
enye me dia but enye brother Sammy dia ana nkoane na de chie wo de na kwotwa enyom e de na kobonum
o ma ye video kra
ana meka no eyi na se eno koshia no
ti so fun problem ya tare na lady ni she na
o de abatu me bepresinti dia wo ho
okay
ene nkrofo agi numbers ebi kura fa wo HC na numbers e man san wa kro wa mo e me ko tutu on ka se koy
wow
be na me ka chro wa again wa be cause commotion
them say why ye a Christopher Frakadam wa BT gospel industry no pana they say o kire mo ni real Frakadam say wa two foot agu nation exactly wa two foot agu me your brother Sammy friend e mro start so wadada me say me particular wadada me esan say brother Sammy di mebodi buy na eja ekura brother Sammy nations worshiper ni show bia ni ho ba that time na me mkobi me organize me church choir ni akọ because of your brother Sammy but that's still like one o say that's still like nations worshiper oh David say when your nations worshiper bi a man for cry tagging with comedy more and now so yin sem kwa ni a yensere to compete with the way yes what say on so no more there say kura movie wo twa bebre ni a what try to win wow enti wa Frakadam ye gospel fraternity no e by say gospel artist by say enya because of enya na say we dey no ye dey emu nketwa ni abra Sammy ye dey say emu nketwa we say odu ase wona na ohun no na ofa no de eni nam ho edientia say ade a chi ebo ni din enye say what the gospel nyuma e dey agbawo nipa be di din mama be di njo aha enti no kwa so oba Sammy come back cause so ba a secular artist no one license no etimi ene mai shege for 10 and then one man is sa when e she brother Sammy say o fi say wa bre with gospel aje wo ho obi anya hwe obetumi adane secular because nyama be say no bra ebi mo so so ena oba no na ya ba say be ya adwin you be a Canada, you must see a bayadri. Wow, I drink wine. Wow, brother Sammy, near my and Yantiana, and so program be a normal ye. Brother Sammy far buy your beer, ne to a gunechi, Eden a tono, dad, and also or invited Dom Somra, sorry, Besum Yankopo. What is this? And I pity churches now, and they still go to tune suffer, brother Sammy, mom, or minister. Yes. No, because once on to me, Papa. Oh, yes. From my body, no. After my body, I'm talking as a fan. After my body, no. Ko check it, brother Sammy, no more, dear Penyah. It's your call, two microphone. Yes. What do you mean by that? Of course. Me pa chokotie, ni afun na kan zanfo. O tie ni nyum bebre. O tie ni nya. Me kan mu mugo no mu tie ni nyum. Etu say no. Ono nim nyum bia. Owura eye asondem a etimi sha nyonyam ti no enkrofo nyum na oto. So mo bi mami e na ayi kimpaluta die Bakui Karishika Akutia di ai Maridata Abefonia Kosebo. What must I say? And if you are a gospel artist, what born pa ye kojina Sunday mo a obeto nyum akyere manfo. But this one say one ma social media shenanigans no abedi ni tirimu amen no na hia no near brother Sammy hia no say ade akye all trend because probably edisikaba. Yes, but the work as a gospel artist no any who need dia e wo hu ni nyina no wato ni nyina gu eti no gina was already told them as sorry no e questionable because as a wood diagro enye sa na ye nyine no gospel anu to for na omo ye nka se oni oyire na mo anase but intention na brother Sammy so abayo aninsa enye onu no odi ni free ba ye enye ne yire enye na danfo onye ni team member ni manager na say ni road manager osia say F00L osia no ho ga ni ko ni baabi and osia no de ne kwaji di so me de won antimu a me trendy and na no kranso what trendy so some of the fans no we are highly disappointed in brother sir
me can say ye won tade a ye hye yi ase no kre and ye won tade a ye nhye nko obi ho no mo wu abetumi ahye ne afa bi ade akọ sometimes so sabi ya necessary hwe nipa na ye ko 1 week no that Lumba you're a legend.
But I'm offended. I don't know. What do you mean by Obi Hodma?
Oh, Obi Hodma won say. I don't know who ja in the won said that cry nim too sorry ya na was sani our baby na dey fakọ. But glad the Lumba die ye nyina ye nim so ye ja. Na all no so ye 1 week die. It should tell you say nipa beba na nya nkra. It is true for never. Na ye ka last week ni say na nyoma e kọ so abra na ye te ha. Ya ye nation worshipper. Brother Sammy. On mountain stage no say there be matching akra ma nyankopon na wo hwe abaiwa ode ne ko gina stage a utum say nyankopon obo ebi mu no ode the whole day bo ebi mu e no obo ebi mu so no the 30 minutes and the bo ebi mu one mre one stress.
Talk to me direct.
I am not
talk to me direct.
See say nyame to ne bo but abaiwa na nation worship ade ne ko stage ne die ni ode tnasepe but abaya we dia ne die na utum say abroso utumi hu bina utum say we die abroso chese ade na hihye mfi chese bebi a obefa bia obehu bi so fi wanimu ba obehu fi wachi ba obehu fi mu a still na obehu bi na Ghana for kasaye nti ne fi so ade chi a na shi worship ba bonti abeka oh enya hwe we die na ofa ne ba bi na obefa yi na se da bi anso ha brother Sammy so de anwom ba or the anwum na ba bedu title no ye dedede Sema Kristo soma ye mu dedede no wasiana Sema nyame soma ye mu dedede chese nyame som no ono oba ba ma na ye kosoro bafo and no feature secular artist which is strong man. It's a strong man than you so now buy what crow ya didn't quit yes perform me. On an assign a video to me say or the lady in promoting your mono. Na nyum tie mu nsem a o kire yen so no be ma nyame som no aye de enye kabani slit ne de ye nyame som na fo ehye ne wo pe ne wo pe bia nyame som no e be ye wo de
but comment ni be who e social media so maybe mu che say menim say Christopher ni bi o so be Christopher but na is a big gas
yes
na o Christo no bi abo nyame nyum pa na o de sa de we na say wo twa akwa wi ase e binum say ami ubo nyame
nyame nyomti no
enti wo ye nyame bia me ngina be bia I say we are for ejina say omobo highlight me again
no more young Kenyan news but one thing I am most nkofo no I am we fini say we are sefo nti na ye nyankopon baaye enye omo a omo fele so omo nim omo ye Christopher no
is it that omo suggest say nka Yesu Christo e wa asasi so na nka oba be preach a onu area bi no oba be preach a obema eye models about the model and son about the is that what they are suggesting?
I don't even know. Omo my brother Sammy ebre enyum naba. Na mukọ so ba for si Christo so na be ye de. Na o kire mu dia nya sanya wutie bia no. Nyankopon edo. Sanya wutie bia no Nyankopon odo.
Obeto a kire wa adwen amame. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media Accra.